Some good news to report when it comes to flu numbers. We're not only right down from where we had been in January, but we're down lower than we were this time this past year.
The good thing is that there's a new strain of flu virus circulating. This year's flu was dominated from the form of virus, however today the type B virus strain is starting to circulate, as stated by the Center for Disease Control. It's not all that unusual. The B virus often strikes later in the season. The B virus also responds better to vaccines. The CDC estimates that it's about 42% effective against the virus.
It's still not too late to get vaccinated. If you had the A virus this flu season, you can still get hit again with the B virus.
There is hope, however, that in the future we may never have another flu season.
Researchers out of the University of California in San Diego are working on a universal flu drug that not only lessens the flu's severity, but possibly even stops it completely. But it's still years away. There's one more hurdle to jump: testing it on humans.
Make it easy to keep up to date with more stories like this. Download the WZZM13 app now.